short memory. Is it always right after Halloween that we dive into these stories?
Oh, yeah.
Always? This early?
At least in the last, I would say, 5 to 10 years, right?
You know what? I have a toddler, and my brain is like mush.
That's exactly
I can't remember
right.
anything.
I got a 2-year-old
I have a very
too.
horrible, long
That's
and
not an
short
excuse.
memory.
I have a toddler
usually
too. Come on.
You're a scientist,
I
though,
feel
Emily.
like there's
you are
usually
like
a little bit of breathing room
built for
after
greatness.
Halloween.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a fake demon still hanging from my tree and a graveyard in my front.
Well, you know what? For
Graveyard.
people like you, Anthony, take advantage of this weekend.
Okay.
Because it's going to be nice and mild.
Make the switch over.
Make the switch over. Put away the Halloween decorations and just bring out the Christmas stuff, right?
Let's do
All
it.
right, let's take a check of what we're dealing with today. We have our 24-hour temperature change showing that we're running about 10 to 15 degrees warmer than where we were yesterday at this very same time. So again, it's feeling really good out there. We're finally experiencing temperatures that are seasonable for this time of the year. So that's putting us in the low to mid 50s. About 56 degrees is where we're sitting at O'Hare, 55 at Midway, same thing in Joliet. It's 55 degrees also in Kankakee, 54 in Gary, and 55 degrees currently in Waukegan. Here's a look at what's heading our direction over the next couple of days. So we've been stuck with this cold air mass up until today for the last several days, but it's going to continue to kind of retreat further off toward the north, setting us up for a really nice weekend. So you'll notice how we're kind of moving this blue shaded area. That's representing that cooler air mass. We're going to push it off toward the north, the northeast by the time we reach this upcoming weekend. So Saturday and Sunday, high temperatures are expected to be in the upper 50s, pretty close to 60 degrees. And we'll start next work week with high temperatures in the 60s. So much milder conditions expected this weekend and early next week. Satellite and radar, we were clear for a few hours. Now we're starting to see increasing cloud cover again, and that's kind of a sign of things to come. So we'll see our skies becoming mostly cloudy during the overnight hours tonight. It stays breezy. We're going to have southwesterly winds gusting up to around 25 miles per hour. Here's a look at Futurecast. We are staying dry, no precipitation to be concerned about tonight. Tomorrow morning, we should be waking up to partly cloudy to mostly cloudy conditions. Temperatures tomorrow morning looks like we're going to be starting off in the upper 30s and low 40s, but we stay breezy. So we're going to have southwesterly winds gusting as high as about 30 miles per hour tomorrow. And as this low pressure system begins to approach the area, it's really going to try to bring in some rain shower activity for us. I do expect to see some rain showing up on the radar, but we're still going to have a fairly dry air mass in place. So I'd be surprised if all of this rain is actually making it down to the ground. I think worst case scenario, maybe a couple sprinkles out there during the afternoon, the evening hours, and then we should dry things out Friday night. And then looking ahead to Saturday morning, we're waking up to partly cloudy skies. We'll see increasing cloud cover through the day, maybe a sprinkle or two during the evening, but a better chance for a couple showers is going to be here Saturday night. I do expect that both Saturday and Sunday, I think the daytime hours are going to be staying dry, but we do have that rain chance both Saturday night and then again on Sunday night too. Right now we have southwesterly winds about 13 miles per hour, temperatures of 56. Tonight we're dropping back to about 42 degrees in the city. For those of you in the far west, northwest suburbs, you're going to be dropping into the upper 30s tonight. Your 7-day forecast tomorrow, 55, mostly cloudy, 56 degrees on Saturday. Saturday night into Sunday early morning, we have a slight rain chance, another chance of rain Sunday night into Monday, but 60s to start next work week. Natalie.
Okay, thanks, Emily. It's that time of